Hello everyone, and welcome to a video on how to make an origami bird or crane. This origami bird can be used as a decoration for your house or workplace. So for this origami, you want to start on the white side of the paper. So the first fold you want to do is to fold it in half from top to bottom. Next, you want to unfold it and then fold it in half the other way, from left to right. Next, you want to turn this over and fold it along the diagonals. This will reveal the white side. Unfold, fold it the other way, unfold, turn this over. So now we're going to push this down, push this center point down, and then you're going to make these two corners meet like that, and then you're going to bring it down until you make something called a square base. Once you've made the square base, you would need to fold these two sides into the middle like this. Repeat it on this other side. Unfold. Make a reverse fold. So you want to push your finger to this point and then push the other finger in, open this up, push these two sides in. There. Now you've reverse folded it. After the reverse fold is done, you should fold this thing up This will make a new crease or fold right here. Next, you want to take this bottom side, fold it in, and do it again with the other side. After all this, you will have to repeat it on the other side. So we would have to repeat all the steps again. So fold this side into the middle, then the other one, unfold, reverse fold by pushing your thumbs here. Make sure to push your thumbs into these lines here, where the lines meet. Make sure you push your thumb in there. That's how you're going to open this reverse fold. Do the same with the other thumb. open this up and push them in. Make sure to refold the lines. Once this has been reverse folded, you would have to push it upwards and then fold these two sides into the middle again, but we're not going to reverse fold them this time. There. Now you should see that the origami will look like this. You'll see that at the bottom these two legs will form. One will form the neck and the other will form the tail. So these aren't really legs. So to form the neck and the tail, go to one side, open it up, fold this up, you might need to fold this also. So you fold this up. You might need to round these things off a little bit. Do the same on the other side. So after that has been folded, you want to do it on this side. So open it up, pull it out. Remember to fold these. So you want to fold these the other way. Then, once you've determined the angle, you want to make the fold here. So you just press them. After that, determine or choose the side you want to make a neck and the other one the tail. I'll just choose this one for the neck. Then after you've chosen it, we want to make the head. So you have to open this up and fold it down. So you fold it down and then pinch this. That will form the head. Now for the wings. For the wings of this bird, you just have to fold these two flaps down. Now you will form the wings. Here's an optional fold for you guys. So once you form the wings, this thing will be curved and not folded. There's an optional fold. This fold is actually optional, so you just have to fold this down and make a crease. So the creases will be here. This fold, these two folds are actually optional. And that is how you make the origami crane. So this is the origami bird we've just made, and you can fold 1,000 more of these to make a wish come true, according to a Japanese legend. Not sure where I've heard that. Anyway, the 1,000 origami birds will be the part that you might need to worry about. But for now, everyone, it's time to end this video. That's all that I have to say for this video. So Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.